Now let's learn how to navigate through your book pages and design an amazing cover for your book. First, go to bookimagic.com. Then, sign into your account. You will be redirected to My Books section. Now select the book you are working on. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see small pictures of all your pages. Click on any page to go directly to it. On the right side, you'll see the story text. Click on the text to edit it. You can change the text's color, font, and size. Make your story say exactly what you want. Above the text, you'll see a color picker. Click it to change the background color of your text page. Remember, you can go back and forth between pages anytime. Take your time to make each page just right. Let's design an amazing cover for your book. Remember, your cover is the first thing people will see, so make it eye-catching. Click on the Generate Cover button. You will see the back cover on the left side and the front cover on the right side. Let's adjust the title text. Change the title's font, size, and color. Click to edit your name. Move it where you like. Drag and drop any background from the Background section in the tools on the right side of the screen. On the back cover, you'll find the book summary. Click to edit this summary as you wish. Just make sure to proofread it before publishing. Let's talk about some handy features to help you perfect your book. First, let's look at the Book Preview button, located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on this button to preview your book's interior pages. You'll see a nice flip animation as you turn the pages. This helps you see how your book will look when it's finished. Next to the Book Preview button, you'll find the Undo and Redo buttons. These buttons make it easy to fix mistakes or try out different ideas.